Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 1 on a personal computer emulator. First, you'll need to choose the right emulator for your system. For PlayStation 3 emulation, RPCS3 is an excellent choice, offering robust performance and compatibility. If you prefer the Xbox 360 version, Xenia is the leading option. Both emulators require a powerful computer to run the game smoothly, ideally with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a strong graphics card. Once you have your emulator selected, the next step is to acquire the game files. It is crucial to legally obtain a digital copy of Red Dead Redemption. This means either purchasing the game digitally or creating an ISO file from your own physical game disc. Never download game files from unauthorized sources, as this can lead to security risks and legal issues. Ensure your game file is compatible with your chosen emulator. With your game files ready, it's time to set up your emulator. Install the software on your computer and then dive into the configuration settings. You'll want to adjust various parameters for the best experience, such as increasing the internal resolution to 2 times or even 4 times the original. Experiment with anti-aliasing and other graphical enhancements to make the game look stunning. Remember to save your settings before launching the game. Finally, you are ready to launch Red Dead Redemption. Open your emulator and load the game file you prepared. For the most authentic experience, connect a compatible game controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, to your computer. This will provide the familiar feel of console gaming. Now, immerse yourself in the expansive and thrilling world of the Old West, enjoying this classic title on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.